can't believe I just slept with my best friend's son. How am I gonna face Selena? How can I be so reckless?
Sophie, where are you going?
Karl, this has to stop right now. This is all wrong.
I really want to be with you.
Hey, Auntie Sophie. The code you gave me worked. I'm in the house.
Great. I'm done with my trip early. Let's go out to dinner tonight.
But I've missed your cooking, Auntie Sophie. How about we just eat at home?
All right. See you in 10.
Oh my!
Perfect. Just as I planned. Wait, here? Aren't you worried she's gonna come back?
Please, that idiot is still on her work trip. Don't you want me?
Babe, of course I want you, but Sophie's your best friend. What if she finds out?
Best friend. That dumb bitch. I want her to know that I am going to take everything from her eventually, including you, her fiancé.
Could that be Sophie? Why is she back so early?
Damn it! She can't find out about us yet, not at least until we take over her company.
Sophie! You're back! So pathetic, Mom. But I don't care about you.
Doing this for Sophie. You're staying by your side, Sophie.
Hey, Sophie! You're back!
What are you doing? Who is that woman?
What woman?
The woman.
Babe! Hey, you're seeing things.
Oh, yeah? What's this?
This, it's not what it looks like, Sophie.
Oh,
It's just
get
a
out
photo
now,
shoot.
you shameless cheater. You're
Just
cheating in
need
my
to
house.
Calm down.
Calm down. We're done.
What?
Michael,
You're crazy.
never set foot in this house again. Asshole.
You're gonna regret this.
I regret dating. Karl,
Sophie, you're back. So, what are we having for dinner?
wait, didn't you hear anything just now?
Hear what? Sophie, are you upset about something? What happened?
Nothing. Look, Karl, I'm not feeling that well, and maybe you shouldn't stay here anymore.
But my swim training starts this weekend. I really have nowhere else to go. Plus, you already told my mom I'd be staying here, right?
Karl had nothing to do with this. I shouldn't take it out on him. Yeah. Yeah, come on. I'll show you where to put your things.
Okay.
I can't believe how much Karl has grown in just a few years.
Sophie, you're back.
He's pretty good looking. I bet he's a heartthrob at school. Oh my god, the guest room doesn't have a pillow. I should bring him one. Karl? Karl, Karl.
Can I come in?
Yeah. What's up?
Auntie Sophie, could you give me a ride to the bar tomorrow night? I'm going to a little party with my friends.
Sure, no problem. What's he doing? Is he about to kiss me?
Your hand is on my robe.
I am so sorry.
Well, I'm gonna go to bed now. Good night, Aunt Sophie.
Good night. What was I thinking just now? Why would I even think about something like that?
Oh man, let's go, man. Let's go. The girls are waiting for us. We're no fun. You've been sipping non-alcoholic. I said, honor.
You know I'm still in training. Come on, alcohol's no good for the body. You know that.
Yes.
Hello? Okay, Michael, I don't want to hear anything. Just stop bothering me, okay?
Hey, Sophie.
Hi, Karl. What are you doing?
Oh, I spilled a drink on my shirt. Well, I don't want to mess up your car.
Thank you.
Mm.
Uh-huh. Oh, are you okay, Karl? How did you get this drunk?
It's fine, Sophie. You'll take care of me, right?
The stairs. You good? Get some rest. I'm going. All right. Karl. I just finished making breakfast. Do you want some?
Sure. Wow, smells great. I want to thank you, Sophie. You were so kind to me.
You don't have to say that. Your mom and I are best friends. It's the least I could do.
Well, what I'm trying to say is, if there's anything you ever need, don't hesitate to ask.
Sure. Keep that in mind.
Anything.